When you paint your daughter's ceiling, but you find a smushy spot, you're gonna need a drywall knife. And when you open up that hole with the drywall knife, you're gonna find a leak. And when you find that leak, you'll venture up to your master bathroom shower drain and find that it's the culprit. So you'll have to buy a replacement, and to get the old one out, some WD-40. And when you get to this point, you're going to wish you had called the plumber, but you did call the plumber and they said they couldn't do it.